Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to write a program to print half parameter of the numbers like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So let's start. First, I will make three variables. As you can see, I have made the three variables I, j, and rows. Then I am taking the input of rows from the user and storing it in variable rows. Then I will make a for loop which will start from I is equal to 1 to I is equal to rows. Basically, it will run from, let's say I have input 5 rows, so it will be start from 1 and it will run till 5. Then I'm going to write plus plus I. Then I'm again going to write a for loop and it will start from j is equal to 1 to j is equal to I, and it will be plus plus j 2. And in this I'm going to write a printf statement, and in this I'm going to write a mod g, as we have to print the integers. And in this I'm going to write j, because if I'm going to write, let's say the number I is equal to 1, okay, so it will print 1. If I is equal to 2, so the loop will start from 1 and it will go till 2, so it will print 1 and 2. And if the I is 3, then it will print 1, 2 and 3. And this, and here I am going to write printf, and inside it I'm going to write backslash n, as it will print the it will go in the next line. So now code is okay, and let's check it. Let's say I'm going to enter 5 rows and it will print 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it is going till 5. So 1, 1, 2, 3, it has 5 rows. And if I is equal to 1 in first one, then it is printing I. If I is equal to 2 in second row, it is printing 1 and 2. It is running from 1 and going till 2. And at the end, I is equal to 5, as in this we have 5 rows. So it's running from 1 and going till 5. Thank you for watching.
The gals whine